Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm new, and before I start making my slime, because today we are going to be making slime, I want you to subscribe down below, please. So let's just get started with the video. So I have my gallon of glue right here, and you're gonna need a mixing bowl, something to mix with, and this is my little cup for activator, and I use Tide. You don't have to use Tide, you can use borax or with whatever activator you use. No. Oh, and I have all my little glitters in here. I have like this blue one, this white one, this rose gold, this one. I have all kinds. And
make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe.
Oh my God!
You know I'm coming after all y'all.
Oh my God! Excuse my brother. I'm so sorry. But right now I'm sorry. Right now, be quiet, Jordan. Right now I'm gonna be using the little container. I have these containers and I have these containers. But I'm going to be using this container.
And she's doing a slime giveaway. Show her. Show him.
Okay.
And she made me some.
No, Jordan, it's the next video. Please be quiet.
Okay.
I'm sorry. My brother should just get his own YouTube channel because he's all up in mines and stuff. Like, I'm trying to make...
How many subscribers you got?
Move!
If she's new,
I'm sorry. This is just all over the place, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna pour some glue in the mixing bowl. Sorry, guys. Okay, and we are going to... What glitter should I use? Oh my God. I'm going to be using...
Put something in front of you. There you go.
I am going to be using this color. It's a pretty blue. Ooh. Sorry, I'm so sorry, you guys, about my brother. But anyways, we are going... Jordan! Now we're going to be putting some glitter in my bowl. Okay. That was kind of a lot, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Now we are going to be mixing. Yeah. Now we are going to be putting our Tide in, and maybe I'll have one of my sisters put in some more Tide, because this is a little bit. Or I'll just get my butt up and get some myself.
Can we get the whole little bottle of Tide?
Can I get it?
No, it's fine. Okay. It's coming together, guys. It's coming together. I'm going to add some more glue because I made a little bit to go in this container. So, yeah. Okay. Now we got to mix that in more. Oh, yeah, guys. We're just going to get a little bit more activator, but not none right now, you guys. Not none right now. And after this video gets uploaded, I'm going to be making another one. And it's going to be showing all my slimes I made already, all the little designs I did and stuff like that. Okay, you guys? So I'm just gonna add this container in. Add this Tide in. Well, not all of it, y'all. Not all of it. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. Hold up. I'm sorry. Now I'm just going to put a little bit more Tide in, then I'm just going to go in with my hand. My sister is just over there whispering everything. She just be like, y'all, like, girl,
You
no.
say that. You say that for some reason.
He said, okay, we're going to be doing this. Now I'm just going to get it out the spoon.
Want me to put it in the sink?
No, because I'm still going to be using it. Okay. We're just going to... Yeah, after this. Ooh, you guys, it's coming together. Hold on. Hold up. I like this slime. This is like a blue slime and things. I'm going to add some more of my Tide. I don't know why I keep saying I'm going to add the whole thing, but I didn't. But now I did. So, got that off my chest. But now I just got to mix. I don't want to do both of my hands because you saw I just had to get my other hand, put some in, so that's why I don't do both of my hands. But when I'm like, oh yeah, this is finished, then yeah, I'll do both of my hands. Okay, now you just gotta knead it. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys, but I should have said this in my beginning of my video. I'll do better, guys. I'll do better. But my name is Madison, and yeah, girl. And my sister just said you're the queen of. Well, yeah, I'm the queen of slime. Yeah, yo. Oh, let me all go get that lotion. It fell over there in that hallway. Thank you.
Special ingredient.
I was supposed to make it with it. I was supposed to put it in the glue when I was making it, cause you put hold on, I'm just gonna get the rest of this. I put lotion in it because it makes it more stretchy and stuff. Oh my gosh. You guys. I was just playing with this and then some of the slime just flung onto the wall. It was so funny.
That was so funny.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Now we are going to go ahead and just play with it so y'all can just see it. Ooh, bubble.
Now you can show them the other slimes.
No, it's okay. Not right now. That's going to be on another video. So now I'm just going to put this in that thing. Okay. Y'all, I know these berries look so raggedy and stuff. It's okay, y'all. I'm going to take them out tomorrow.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we put that cap on. Do you guys like this slime? Because my videos tomorrow and stuff, I'm going to make another video today though. But it will have like, I will be putting add-ins in it. And I will be doing challenges. I will not just be doing I know you guys can't see my face. I would not just be doing just slime. I don't have to be doing that all the time. I can do some more stuff, you guys. So, you guys leave in the comments, like, what challenges I should do and stuff. So I'm about to clean this stuff up right now, and I'm about to show y'all what's in the drawers.
Yep. You already know.
So before I end this video,
Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
press notifications.
I want 100 views by Saturday.
Oh my god! Okay.
By the end of this week.
I'm so sorry, y'all.
You better get that.
You better not throw no. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she's starting.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Smash it.